I have a really exciting announcement to make. I have created a free Discord server for the community to discuss Microsoft Fabric topics. You can find a link to the server in the description. And now I will tell you a bit more about this Discord server. Let's start with why I decided to set it up. I have been getting quite a lot of questions about Fabric in different places like YouTube, LinkedIn and Reddit. I really enjoy helping you with your questions. But the problem is, when I reply in private messages, my answers do not help my wider audience. So I wanted to create a place where we can have those discussions in public. That way more people can benefit from the answers. So from this point onwards, I will be answering to technical questions only in the Discord server or in the YouTube comments. Another reason is that I keep learning new things about Fabric almost every week. I would love to share all of that with you, but I don't always have time to make videos about every single topic. So sharing quick updates and tips on Discord is a great way to keep you in the loop. Also, I want you to be able to connect with other people who are using and learning Fabric. The number one rule in the community is that no toxic behavior is allowed. We will not tolerate it. I want this to be welcoming and helpful community for everyone. Me and the moderators will be very strict about this rule. And as a cool bonus, I have some extra Fabric swag. For example, another one of these Fabric bucket hats and also a bunch of Fabric stickers that I will be giving away in the Discord server at some point. So remember to join if you want some of these. And now I will quickly show you what the Discord server looks like. And here we can see the Discord server. The Discord server is called Master Microsoft Fabric. And I have created here a bunch of channels that you can use to chat about Fabric. And I will be creating new channels if the need be. Also, I have created a dedicated channel for CertiAs, because CertiAs developers will be also hanging out in this Discord. So you can give feedback about the CertiAs platform, and we can also discuss some new features and things that should be added there. Also, I have created this dedicated section for my YouTube channel members, where I can interact with the channel members and maybe provide insight to new videos that are coming, etc. But yeah, the link to the Discord server can be found in the description. But now I thank you for watching and see you in the Discord server.